Right now, we are here in third floor. Guys, grabe kayo. Very huge kaayo, luag. It has a, look at this one. Oh, so naa siya gym. And also, na ay balcony. May veranda, guys. Diba, nice kaayo. And also, fronting siya sa soccer field. So, located in phase 4, Xavier Stage, 3-story na house and lot for sale. Look at this one, guys. Oh, and it has a mini gym. And also, naapay isa ka kwarto. See? Men's room. And going down, we are in the third floor area. And this is the second floor. So see you around.